First, use a hex bit screwdriver to remove the 4 screws and open the back cover. There is a hex bit screwdriver included in the user manual bag that can be used for this purpose. And then, unplug one wire from the main motherboard and unplug another wire from red socket on the black voice board. Cut off the old wire of the old control panel. And then go to the front seat, pull the rest of wires out of the chair. Slightly fold the new control panel wire and insert it into the designated position shown in the video. Then, go to the back of the massage chair and gently pull out the connector. Make sure the wire follows the path of the yellow air tube. Next, plug the connector into the socket on the main board. If you have cable ties, you can use some to secure the wire according to the steps in the video. However, be careful not to tie the air tube together with it. First, use a Phillips screwdriver to loosen up 3 screws on the lower panel. The screws may not come out if the screwdriver bit is not magnetic. Just loosen 3 of them. And then remove the cover. Please remember to unplug the power cord before replacing new motherboard. Next, use scissors to cut off those zip ties, so you can unplug the connectors more easily. And then use a small Phillips screwdriver to take out 4 small screws on the board. Pinch back in front of the connector and pull a little bit to unplug it from the old board. Unplugging only one connector at a time and plug it into the same position on the new motherboard, starting from the connectors at the lower right corner. If there is a small red cap on the connector, remove the red cap first. You don't need to install it back to the connector on the new motherboard. Follow the same steps to unplug and replug the rest connectors to the new motherboard. Finally, you can use some zip ties to secure all those wires. It's okay if you don't have zip ties, it's optional.